Welcome tech lovers, Ibrar here. Today I am going to show you my multi-boot USB, which give you a good idea to build your own multi-boot USB using Ventoy. This guide will be quick, clean and ready for use. DevOps in Action channel is dedicated to DevOps and AI in easy way. You always found complexity and simplicity here. Each video guide is available in video's description. Here will be only action as channel name is DevOps in Action. So let's jump to the lab without any delay. I have one USB drive and I attached my Proxmox VM, and I want to show you the first that VM that USB, what is inside that USB, right? For that I am going to add hardware here in the USB. This is just for your information that if you are not using Proxmox, doesn't matter. I have Proxmox, so I am showing here, but you can boot your USB from any hardware, right? So I am attaching USB drive here and changing the boot options, okay, and changing it to from USB and starting the console. Once I start it, and let's see, this is the my actually USB bootable created by me. One more thing here I want to show you that I created it I think before 15 years ago, right? So how you can identify I created is before that time. So here you can see I added the very old version Hiren BootCD 15, Hiren BootCD 10 and ERD Commander 5, and you can see all the old version available here. Okay, so here I added DOS program. Basically I used to recover any operating system if it is crashed. I'm working from the Windows 98, so that's the reason to recover 98, recover Windows XP 7, 8, that was required, right? Windows XP Service Pack 3, 7, All OS and 8.1 32-bit. Before that 8.1 32-bit was launched, but I added after that. I not replaced it here. Ultimate Boot CD. Yes, why I am showing these things to you? So once you open the Ventoy, let me show you one more thing here. Ventoy, first check the Ventoy launch date. So once you open the Ventoy launch date, you can see here it's launched on 2020. Before that it was not there, and I am using this one before that. This is basically a grub bootloader and I customized it, and it's took a lot of time for me for customization, but you not need to do customization. Just open the Ventoy. I will show you this one Ventoy as well, but before that let's complete this one. List down the tools which you need to put in your multi-boot USB. So ultimate boot CD you can use, Windows 10 you can use, Hiren boot CD, this is the latest, this is the old one. Basically you can use the latest one. F for UBCD, again this is the very good tools for recovery, and Ghost, ERD Commander, and Ultimate DLCD, Ultimate DLC, System Rescue CD I added, and DRBL, Clonezilla. I added multiple Clonezilla here, and Kali Linux. You can see very old version, but now this is 2026, so you can use the latest one. Nopix Live, basically I like the most, I use it most, and Quick Heal Bootable Rescue CD. This is the my 32 GB pen drive where I added all the most things, and this is the grub bootloader which I customized it, right? So now if you want to make the similar things, don't waste time, don't go with the grub bootloader, and use Ventoy. Once you come here, you can see here Ventoy support 1300 plus image. You can see the list and 90 plus distro. So you can see the distro watch and all the available here, all the OS available here. Let's say Gen 2, and even you can download ISO from here, right? Everything options available here, and distro watch you can see. So with the help of this, even you can see screenshot and a lot of guide available on YouTube how to make Ventoy bootable. So use Ventoy and make your bootable like this. So right, so my purpose is to show you just these tools which I am using. So note down these tools and download it and make in your Ventoy, right? So this is the ultimate tool. With the help of this tool, you can do whatever you want. This provides a additional layer capability, you can say, from where you can rescue any system, you can bypass any system, you can have freedom to do OS recovery. You have all freedom, you can do whatever you want, right? I think that's it for this part. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any question, leave a comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. See you in the next video.